laying down some rubber. Imagine having to flip on that.
Imagine if you had street tires on that fucking bitch. Oh, you could have saved that if you gassed it. How much tread do you have left?
Oh.
Bust a spring.
Did you? One of the good ones?
No, I just lost the screw.
Must have been all the torque and horsepower. Good thing you got that backup shock on there.
I know, huh?
You're dragging ass. Yeah, it didn't.
He doesn't have to give up yet. He's got backup.
Do a drive-by.
Right by that camera right there.
Ow!
Sorry.
You're not supposed to wing into it.
Run to the camera forward. Is it still recording?
Yep.
Alright, just go towards this, that's all.
Oh! You heard him lock it up too.